flight. Sierra Baker Mobile on the island of Malta, LA1T in Norway. Bye-bye.
Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Okay, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Papa Yellow 1, America X-ray. Do you copy? Over?
Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Alpha 1 Tango. You are 5x2 in Norway. Over.
Roger, Roger. You're 5x9. 59 into South America, Rio de Janeiro. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. Tony is my name. I'm with 200 watts into a vertical antenna. Okay, so back to you. Microphone back to you. Over.
Yes, that's fine. Tony, that's fine. I understand that you are on the vertical antenna. I missed your power there, but you could be easy to be in the next over. Nice to know how much power you are using, but I think you said that I'm at 59 at 5x9 down in South America at the moment, so that is wonderful. 500 watts, 800 jogging, being a little bit on southwest, not enough west for you really, but still it does not seem to make such a difference. So the name is Hamso Fellow, Son of November Sierra, and private call sign Lima Alpha 5 Golf X-ray. Thank you, Papa Yankee number 1 Alpha X-ray. Is Lima Alpha number 1 Texas, over?
Roger, Roger. Lima Alpha 1 Echo Golf X-ray. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray returning. Okay, very good copy. You're 5x9. 59 your report. Very comfortable to copy you. 8 element Siag is not easy, you know. And the 500 watts, it's a very, very good power. So I'm 200 watts into a vertical antenna up only 6 meters up at the ground. That's my working condition. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. Tony is my name. The conditions is very good, open, and I wish you all the best, many good DX for you, and hope to catch you again, okay? Hope to work you again, my friend. Thank you very much for this short contact. Lima Alpha 5, Echo Golf X-ray, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, over.
Yes, that's fine. I think you said that your power was 100 watts into your vertical, so obviously more than sufficient. There was some noise on the frequency, but for the rest, I could read you very easily from South America. I was just working also, I worked already a couple of Brazilian stations and also one station from Argentina. So the opening seems to be quite good at the moment, so that is beautiful. 73, thank you very much. Thank you for giving me the call. Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, 1 Tango in Norway. Bye-bye.
Roger, Roger. Many thanks for the contact. Good luck DX. I make a video. I send it to you to see you how strong you come in South America. Okay, bye-bye.
That is excellent. I thank you very much. 73, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Lima United 7, Foxtrot Hotel Delta, over.
Ending with the Alpha Sierra, please. 9 Hotel 5 Alpha Sierra, please go ahead.
Lima United.
Yes, that was already Lima United station. Please hold on. 9 Hotel 5 Alpha Sierra. That's fine, Alex. You are 5354. Steady, beautiful, famous from Malta. I just worked one other station from Malta that was mobile, and he was on 5 and 10 watts, switching between 5 to 10 watts, and he was also coming in very well. So no problem to copy. 5354, Alex. 9 Hotel 5 Alpha Sierra. LA1T Texas, over. Yes, that's fine, Alex. You are really beautiful here with your inverted wire antenna. It's coming in very fine. More steady, good signal and a nice audio, so no problem. Nice propagation at the moment, both inside of Europe and 4DX outside of Europe. 73, 9 Hotel 5 Alpha Sierra, LA1T Tango. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. QR said there was a Lima United station. There is London Able number 1 Texas.
Okay, my friend Hans. Lima Alpha 1 Tango, this is Lima Uniform 7, Foxtrot Hotel Delta, Lima United 7, Florida, Honolulu, Denmark. My name is Manuel. Manuel at Mike Alpha.
Lima Alpha 1 Tango.
That is fine. I think your call sign is Lima United 7.
Look beautiful, QTH. Shock.
Lima United
Look the antenna.
Foxtrot Hotel Delta, Florida Honolulu, Denmark, okay?
Wow, look at that.
Yes, Roger, Roger.
My God.
Yes, okay, that is fine.
Up to beam.
You are fired by T from Argentina, so I copy quite well. Online, it's going quite well.
6 element, 5 element LFE.
Another station from Argentina, so live propagation for South America.